I want to do a really quick dish for you that is, I actually learned from a chef here in New York in Queens, the folks at Happy Stony Noodle. I'm just gonna put my tofu in there for a second. You get a wok going, and the nice thing for home cooks is that it could be a slow wok. And you throw in a little pork, you throw in some ginger, a couple of chilies, a little bit of garlic, and you just cook that for just, you know, a few seconds. Yeah, you've got your aromatics, but you do it with the pork. And what's great then is you can throw in 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of Chinese black beans. 1, 2, 3 handfuls of those wonderful chives. A little bit of sugar, pinch of salt, a little bit of white pepper. Take your warmed tofu out.
Yum!
Put that on top. This really is a special dish. A little bit of sake, a little bit of stock. You have good chicken stock here, by the way.
Well, thank you,
A little bit of soy. You know, it's important. And then you just let that steam and cook.
That smells so good.
Yeah, this is one of the most easy and addictive dishes in all of Chinese cookery. And all you have to do is cook it for about another 30, 45 seconds until that liquid evaporates.
Right.
This is so, I mean, you smell the ginger and garlic. It's got 6 ingredients.
And anybody can do it.
Anybody can do it. And then all you do, and it's great to serve.
Gorgeous.
Great to serve with rice. But the way that we're doing them in our restaurant is actually serving them with lettuce so that people can make lettuce wraps and a couple different sauces and stuff like that. But if you're a Cantonese grandma, right, what you do is you put a little bit of rice in there. You put a little bit of the
nest that in.
Fly head.
Beautiful.
That I learned at Happy Stony Noodle in Queens.